if you're interested in learning how to blog, I'm going to show you how you can use free resources to make money. Now let's get into it. So first of all, we go to blogger.com, okay, and then you create your blog. Now after you sign in, if you have already created an account, you see it here if you already have one, or you can click here, the drop down, and click on new blog, and then you give your new blog a title. Let's talk about sports. So let's say Sports Center. Okay, I am interested in sports, and then you click on next, and then you give it an address. Sports Center. It's taken now, obviously. Sports Center 2024. Okay, it's available. So you click on save, and then it will save for you, and then we go straight into it. As soon as it saves, so it will open a new blank like this. Now the first thing you need to do is to change the theme. Okay, now the theme is the look and feel of the website. Now this is our website, this is our URL, sportscenter2024.blogspot.com. so the first thing we need to do is to change this theme if we are not okay with it. And to do it, we come to theme, and then there is a drop down here with so many themes here. Okay, you can just go down and there are so many of them. So when we come up, I just want to make it simple, so probably I want to stick with this. Okay, no, this is not too beautiful. I mean anything at all, just for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'll stick with this, click on this, and click on apply. Okay, so when we click on apply, and it tells us that our theme is successfully applied, when we come back, and then you see that the theme has changed from the previous one. All right, now we need to create a blog post, and like I said earlier, you can use ChatGPT. I've used ChatGPT to just draft something up. Let's go into creating a blog post. So you click on new post and allow it to load, and then what is the title? So here my title is Barcelona is heavier than Real Madrid, a weighty discussion. Just copy, you paste it here, and then you copy the body. But if you want, you can simply click here. If you want and you have already a write-up there, you can just type it in here, or you can start typing whatever you want to type. So I will just paste this one for the purpose of this, and then I will just format it. Now to those of you, the formatting text is here, or the formatting menu is rather here. You can just italize what you want to italize, or bolding, and anything that you want to do. So quickly, all right, okay, so I am done. Now let's insert some image here to make it our blog post look very beautiful. So to get free images that you will not have problem with it, we go to pixabay.com. You can get some free royalty stock images. So let's choose Barcelona versus Real Madrid. So after you get your image, you come here into insert, and then you click on upload from computer and select the image that you downloaded from the internet. It's loaded. Now when the image is loaded, there are two things you can do. You can enlarge it to the size that you want. I mostly prefer it being bigger, and then you can also write an alt text here. That is something we'll do a little later on. So when you are done with the write-up and everything is very okay with you, you will click on publish and then confirm. But even before then, you can preview it. But since we are done publishing, we just click on view blog, and voila, that is our very first story that we have on Sports Center. Okay, now when you come back here, there are a few things that I want to walk you through. You can create pages here, you can change the layout. Now when we go into the layout, there are a few things that we can do. Now there is a sidebar which we can add a widget, and the top search, there is a search icon here, which is this one here. In the header, you can do a few things. The name is Sports Center, so if you want to do Sports Center 204, when you click on save, come back here, refresh, and you see the 204 is included. So these are where you can work on the layouts. When you go to theme, this is the theme that we are using, Contempo Dark. You can customize it. Now, what do you want? There is a background image to this very dark image here. You don't want it. You can change it. You click on change. Already there are a few or the background here already. You can choose whichever one you like. Let's go to recreational since we are doing something football, and see if we can maybe use this. Click on OK, and then it changes to what we've chosen. And when we come down here, click on save, come here, refresh, and yes, we have the new change that we just did. So that customization can also be done here. When you come back, you can still do a few more customization if you want. Go to advanced, and then the body text, which is this, you can decide on which size you want it, the color, everything here could be worked on. Yep. And then you go to settings. Now, settings is where you can write a description. For SEO purposes, you need to write an about us. So you can do that here in the description, and then you choose the language which you want to write your blogs or the website is in. And then adult content. When you are writing something that is adult, you turn this on so that when people visit your site, they will be told that they are about to view adult content, if they are okay with it, before they can proceed. And yes, so you see there is a warning, sensitive content warning. I understand and I wish to continue. I do not wish to continue. Then to take them back home. So when you turn on this adult, that is a warning that you get. You can also check your Google and analytics measurement ID, and then you insert it here, and then you get all the analytics that you want. Okay, so this is our publishing. This is our blog address, sportscenter2024.blogspot.com. But if you have a custom domain, you can just add it here. Okay, if you have been able to purchase a custom domain, you just include it here, and then you follow the procedures. If you don't want an HTTPS that redirect and you want an HTTP, you can simply turn this off and it will be an HTTP. It will not redirect to an HTTPS. Okay, that is also something you can do as well. And then on the blog post, okay, let's refresh and take this one off. When you are home, how many stories do you want to see? Max post shown on main page, 7 posts, but you can do 2, you can do 3, you can even do 5, you can do 20, whatever you want. It's here. You can also do that here, and other few sentences that you can also do. Okay, so yes, now let's go into earning. Now, Blogspot belongs to Google, so it is easy to even get AdSense approval when you are using Blogspot. Okay, now there are a few things that you need to, there are a few criteria that you need to meet before. So they say your blog isn't ready to show ads yet. You need to fix some few things to continue. Okay, so you need to fix some few things. Some of the things that you need to fix is creating pages, and some of the pages that you need to create are as follows. One of them is an about us page. Okay, you need to tell Google who you are. That is one criteria. So you need to write something about the about us page. You need to create a privacy policy page. Privacy policy, and then publish. But remember, you need to write a privacy policy. I'll show you how you can quickly write a privacy policy. And then you also need to write about terms and conditions page. These are critical pages that when you are applying for AdSense, they want to take a look at. Okay, when you are applying for AdSense, they want to take a look at these very critical pages that we have created, i.e. terms and conditions, privacy policy, and about us. Now, if you want to create terms and conditions, you can visit policymaker.io, and then I'll answer a few questions. What is your website domain? It gets included here. So this is our website domain. You just copy it, and then you paste it. It clicks on next, and then I mean all other questions you answer, and then you are good to go. You to generate a terms and conditions, to generate a privacy policy, and then you write the about us page yourself. Okay, you see, it is not important the domain you are using, whether .blogspot or sportscenter24.com. What the most important thing is consistently posting. Now, if you post consistently, Google will realize that you are getting traffic into your website. And when you come to the analytics here, your start here, you realize that people have started coming to your website, and then when you make an application, they will simply agree, and then you start earning on this website. It is very easy to earn on Google, especially with Blogger, because like I said earlier, this belongs to Google, and then you can make some money off Google. So this is how you can create a beautiful blog post in 2024 and make some good money off it. This is our blog, our website. See it beautiful here, and that's all. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Thank you for watching.